This Daignault Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Christine Daignault. Ideal golf front location west/gorgeous views. Enjoy view and gorgeously landscaped yard west/A to die for Jacaranda tree from the large screened patio. Open floor plan west/formal dining room, great room, breakfast nook, and indoor laundry room west/storage. Huge 3-car garage. Warm interior colors. Spacious master suite with office/den nursery space, so no need to use a guest bedroom as your office. Kitchen boasts granite counters. High-end air conditioner is 6 years new. All windows and doors have hurricane film. For more information, review the details below or contact Christine Daignault at 321-591-3228.